Hey everyone, welcome back. It is Friday. I am off today. I'm gonna take a me day. We're gonna be doing a full wear test for the Tir Tir Viral Foundation. We're gonna do some check-ins throughout the day. We're gonna put this viral foundation to the test. I'm gonna be hanging out with my cousins. We're gonna go ahead and get my hair trimmed. I haven't trimmed my hair in over 6 months. I'm gonna do a little shopping. I have some concerts coming up. I wanna get some outfits. I got my band tees, but I don't have my shorts. So I'm gonna take you along the ride with me. I'm gonna do check-ins. We're gonna see how this foundation performs and let's jump on into it. And by the way, subscribe down below if you haven't done so yet. Give the video a thumbs up if you like it and let's jump on into it. So this is the Tir Tir foundation. This is a Korean skincare brand and this has been the most popular foundation in Japan. I mean, all over the internet, literally. I did try this foundation already and this right here, this is legit. This is probably the best foundation ever to exist right now. You can buy this on Amazon. The rating is not a high rating. It's a 3.9, but it has 8,000 reviews. Mind you, this just went viral, I think a couple of weeks ago. They did expand their shade range, so now it goes up to 30 different shades, which is great. Long lasting 72 hours. I don't know who wears their makeup for that long, but if you do, no judgment here. Sweat proof, transfer proof, non-creasing formula. It gives you that glass skin coverage. Lightweight and radiant finish. This is definitely a medium to full coverage, leaning more on the full side, but it's not cakey. Infused with hibiscus skin and red extracts to enhance the skin elasticity. I love Korean skincare, guys. My skincare game has completely changed. My skin feels elastic. Elastic, is that a good thing? My skin has changed completely ever since I switched my skincare to Korean skincare brand. So I'm excited to try this out and show you. And we're gonna be doing the full-on wear test review. I'm gonna be doing check-ins with you. Let's get to applying. This one's in the shade, by the way, 27 Camel. I do gotta say though, if you are looking to purchase this foundation, it does oxidize after like an hour or so. You're gonna notice the foundation does get a little bit darker, not incredibly darker, but dark enough. So just make sure you go one shade lighter because that's what I had to do. And you open it up and it comes with a nice little mirror. Ooh, so nice. Comes with this nice cushion applicator. By the way, this is the best way to apply the foundation with its cushion applicator. But we're gonna be doing both. We're gonna be doing the cushion applicator on one side. We're gonna be doing a brush on the other side. Open it up. I did already open it up and I kind of tested it with my fingers, but I haven't tried this shade on my face. It's a cushion foundation, let's get to it. Alrighty, let's zoom you in so you get a little closer. Check out my 35-year-old face. I've already primed my skin. I just used my regular moisturizer and I did add an SPF over top of it. A Korean SPF, by the way. I will link down all the products that I've used in my video today down below. We're gonna dive in. That was one press. See, a lot of pigment. Alrighty. And I am just tapping that in. It's definitely leaning a little bit more yellow. That was literally one tap. And look at the coverage that gave. There's something about this foundation that just makes your skin feel like a mannequin in the most beautiful way. Like it just covers everything, but it doesn't feel cakey at all. My only complaint, guys, is that it does turn a little yellow. You can't see it in the camera, but it is leaning a little more on the yellow side. There's still more. That was one swipe. I just want you to see the coverage that gave. It is a really nice radiant finish. It's not greasy and it just completely veils out every single pore that I have. And it almost feels like you don't even need to set this foundation. Let's go ahead and try a brush on the other side. Go in with the brush. Okay, it applies nicely. It's definitely with the brush or a beauty blender, you're gonna get less coverage if you wanna go for a little bit more of a natural finish. But, God, this looks so good. I am dipping back into it. With the brush, you're not packing it on as much as with the applicator. You're gonna get a little bit more sheared out coverage. If you wanna go for the full-on makeup experience with this, use the applicator, but I just wanted to compare both sides. It's gonna show a little bit more of your texture with the brush. However, with the applicator, as you can see, it's covered all of my pores. It's just mattified everything, completely veiled out. Is that a thing? Veiling? It's a word that I just made up. So it's gonna veil out all of your pores and textures. And I'm gonna go back into it and I'm just gonna go in with the applicator. Just wanted to show you and compare both sides. Just gonna go right in. I forgot this applicator, how full coverage this is. I am caking today. Be very careful with this. This is so full coverage. Your skin is skinning times a million with this. Guys, I think my hair, I'm 35 now, so I think like I'm losing hair. Is that happening? I gotta do something about that. I'm just gonna smooth everything out with a beauty blender. And it just looks really, really good. I'm vampiring it up right now. Literal glass skin mannequin right now. Flawless. This easily can pass up for a high-end cushion foundation. Moving on, we're gonna skim through this. I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup and we're gonna go off to the world. This is the final look. We're gonna be wearing this for about 8 hours. Let's go get our hair cut. We're gonna pick up the nieces. We're just gonna take them out for a little shopping spree. We're probably gonna do some baking. We'll see. It is currently 9:51 a.m. I'll see you in a couple hours. So I got my hair cut. It came out really cute. She went a little scissor happy, but it's okay because it's gonna grow back. I'm in my emo era. It is now 12:40. Makeup is looking really good. I got a blow dry, they washed my hair, and the makeup is looking stunning. Let's go ahead and get a close-up. Nothing is coming off. It is looking good. I went in just to cut my tips. I get a U-style hair shape with a very subtle little bit of layers in the front because I don't do layers all over my hair. It reduces the volume. Let me tell you about this place that I went. Okay, I'm used to going to a specific lady up north where I live. However, if you all are from South Florida, anyone in South Florida here watching, I went to Hialeah. My cousin recommended her. If you live in South Florida, Miami area, you know that Hialeah is pure Cuba. I've never been to a hair salon like this. It was just really funny. But they take their hair cutting seriously. This lady cut my hair in literally like 20 minutes. She just did her thing and she just did a really good job. She even curled my hair. I didn't even ask for it to be curled. The whole time there was just like people talking, giving stories, because Cubans like to really just talk and talk and talk and talk, and it just felt like Cuba Central. Like all the tios, all the primos, everybody there knew each other. It was really funny. She tried to sell me permanent makeup for my eye, like an under eye eyeliner, like permanently. I was like, no. It has length, but it has a little bit of layers only in the front. Still has my same U shape, and I got my bangs back. Stay tuned for the next check-in. I need to find some shorts, like concert outfits. I have the t-shirts, but I need to find some shorts and maybe some pants. It sounds like pants, like old people pants. Like no, like cute high-waisted jeans. I just want bottoms. That's what I want. And yeah, we're here. We'll see what we can find. Doing a quick check-in with you. It is now 5:22 and I put on this foundation around 9:30 this morning. but I still want to hold it through to the rest of the night. This foundation is looking pretty good at this hour. I have been outside all day and it's very hot and humid here in South Florida, and this has held straight through. It is not showing up too dewy and nothing has broken up. The color is still good. There's not a different color between the neck and the foundation, but it is looking really good. Slightly dewy, but not a greasy mess so far. And this has been on for about 7 or 8 hours now. It's looking good, guys. This foundation is holding up. Cousins are here. I'm gonna start prepping now. We're gonna make some tacos and we're gonna have just a taco night with the rest of my family, margaritas, the whole shebang. It's Friday, it's time to relax. Here we go. We are doing our tradition, which when we open a bottle, we usually always do 1 shot. Well, right now we're doing half a shot. I'm doing half a shot.
This is literally like a shot and a little bit.
Dang, babe, look at this.
That's a shot.
This is a shot.
Yeah.
That is huge.
I'll pour on it, but that was a shot.
Okay. Yeah. That's it. It's fine.
This is.
So this is the, what's the name of the tequila? El Padrino? Oh, the little one. This one's El Padrino. Well, we can taste it. Let's see.
I can take like half a shot.
This is literally half a shot, but he has a full shot. I have half a shot.
I'm terrible.
Baby, do you want mine? My baby shot?
No. Man, I worked you.
Fully. Oh my god, that's so good. It's cotton candy, so if it's smooth, it means that it has additives in it. Did she tell you that it was additive free?
I don't know. Yes or no? I already saw it.
I had a baby shot, so I can't complain, but he had a full shot. It is now 8:36 p.m. My makeup's still intact.
There's a way.
It's looking fresh, it's looking cute. So we are in the process of opening our gorgeous tequila bottle. Like, look at this bottle. It has a bell and everything. Yeah, it's so pretty. Okay, and we're gonna do our usual. That's our thing that we do. So we have our shot glasses. We have our limes, and let's get to it. Yes.
How do you open it?
I don't know how to open it.
Straight up. You know what people use this for too? They use this as a lamp. They put the tables,
it's true.
They cut it through there, and they have a lamp.
This is us telling him to do it. Ven.
Sí, pero es que necesita de comer.
Pero Sael, aquí papita.
Please do the honor.
Got it, baby.
This is such a privilege, man.
We have this gorgeous bottle.
Yeah, bro.
Look at the bottle. Wait, you didn't even back up.
Oh, my hair's so.
That's gorgeous.
Like
it
me,
is.
I know. We're all talking about me, I know.
Do we do the little one or the?
I can hide it.
No, pero esto to measure it out. Pero you put it in here. We have 2 things going on. I have my vlogging camera here and my phone over here.
Just to give it a try. I think that was too much.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's not a shot.
That can be mine, son.
Baby.
Yours?
No.
But what?
I'm gonna get
halfway.
This is a lot.
That's
I'm
all
gonna get
halfway.
you some.
Oh my god. Ay, Dios mío. ¿Por qué tanto?
I think that's like 2. Get 2, Judy. That's like 2.
I'll tell you right now if it's 2. No, this is 1.
You see?
This is a full shot.
Really?
You see?
No, but I think you have
But
more.
he has more.
No,
He has more.
I can't handle more, that's why.
No, he can't.
Yeah, I don't think you can.
He can't. He's not us.
You know what? I just tasted it.
What is it?
This is like any other tequila.
Okay, no.
Hey, you're cheating.
I'm not cheating. No,
Ready?
it's drunk.
Okay, so.
Oh.
But we gotta get closer.
1, 2, 3. Baby. Why'd you pour that much?
I didn't drink it all. I'm just terrible at this.
It's a good tequila. However, he poured way too much. He poured too much. He literally poured all the way up here. No, I'm good.
Let me just try it.
It smells good.
I feel like a wuss right now.
Try it without having to do like the whole thing. Just
No, I sipped it already.
Because it's smooth.
Yeah, smooth. I sipped it already.
But it was too much at the same time.
It's not a tequila to be doing that. It's a tequila to taste
To
it.
sip,
To
yeah.
sip.
That's what I was
This is
saying.
high quality, man. High quality.
But that's what I was saying. It's not to do shots.
It's not to
This
do
is
shots.
just to. I had a shot in the
So we've come to the agreement that this kind of tequila is way too nice to have it as a shot. This was a fail, total fail. But it's okay. It was good though. It was a really
But it's
tasty
good,
one.
like, just
It is 1 a.m. So we've had this foundation on for 15 hours. I've gone through a hairdresser, washing my hair, going all over here and washing and pressing on my face. It has been hot, it has been humid, and I have been outside most of my day today. And I've been up non-stop since 10 a.m. this morning. My makeup is still intact. Foundation has held through, and what I love most about it is that it is mattifying. So it's just like matte. This foundation is the only foundation that I know that has held through without feeling like a grease ball at the end of the day. This is a 10 out of 10 foundation. Thank you guys again so much for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and go ahead and subscribe down below if you haven't done so yet. I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.